Hi. Welcome to Delta Tech's ABSS video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will be guiding you through the process of creating a new company file. This tutorial is for users of ABSS Accounting and ABSS Premier. Each company or business you own is a separate legal entity. This means that you have registered this business, and it has a business registration number, tax reference number, SST reference number, etc. These businesses you own may also have different financial year ends. Accounting records for these companies will need to be kept separate. In ABSS, each company or business will have its own file. You can create up to 5 different company files when you first purchase ABSS. If you need more than 5, contact us for assistance. Before you create your company file, you should have the following information ready. Your serial number. Although this is not required when you create your file, you will need to provide it to activate it. You can find your serial number on the inside of your CD package. Your business registration number. This information is required. The last month and year of your current financial year, or the year you are going to start keying in information into ABSS. For example, if you closed your accounts on the 30th of June 2019, and the current year is 2020, then the last month of your financial year would be June, and the current year would be 2020. If you are not sure, please check with your auditors or tax agents. We are now ready to create a new company file in ABSS. To start creating a file, find the ABSS Accounting or ABSS Premier shortcut icon on your desktop. Then double-click on it. When ABSS launches, you will see the welcome screen. The screen will look the same for both ABSS Accounting and ABSS Premier. The difference is you will be able to see the solution and version at the bottom right. Click on the Create button to start creating a new file. When you click on Create, the ABSS New Company File Assistant will display. Click on Next to start. In the Company Information screen, key in your company name, as well as the business registration number. The company name and business registration numbers are required fields. Note that both these fields are used in documents such as your invoice. You can complete the other information as well at this time, or you can add it after creating the company file. When ready, click Next. In the following screen, you will need to provide your company's accounting year information. Key in your current financial year. Next, select the last month of your financial year. Following the example we gave earlier, if your current financial year is the 30th of June 2020, then key in 2020 in the first field, and select June from the list of months. The conversion month is the month that you want to start keying information into ABSS. The month you select here will be within the 12 months of your financial year end. Note that you will not be able to enter transactions dated before the conversion month. Here, you should select the first month of your financial year. In our example, since your financial year ends on the 30th of June, your conversion month should be July. Next, you can choose to have either 12 or 13 accounting periods. In general, there are only 12 periods in an accounting year. ABSS provides a 13th period for making adjustments to your accounts. For example, you can use the 13th period for entering audit adjustments. Choose either 12 or 13 according to your preference. Click Next to continue. Before going on to the next step, ABSS will ask you to review and confirm your accounting period details. Check to make sure that it is correct. Also take note of your conversion month and the warning that you will not be able to enter transactions before this date. The settings that you choose for your accounting period cannot be changed once your file has been created. If you need to make changes, click on the back button to return to the previous screen. Click Next to continue. In ABSS, the chart of accounts is called Accounts List. You have 3 options to choose from in this screen. The first option allows you to select from standard accounts list that ABSS has, depending on your industry and type of business. If you select the first option, you will be able to select from a list of industry classifications, as well as from a list of business types. The second and third options lets you create your own accounts list. With these options, ABSS creates the minimum number of accounts for you when creating your file. We prefer to select the third option. I would like to build my own accounts list. Select an option and click Next to continue. Here, you will be shown where on your computer your company file will be created or saved. By default, ABSS will save the new company file to the application folder. In this case, the file will be saved to C, ABSS Premier, V23 folder. For ABSS Accounting, the folder will be C, ABSS Accounting, followed by the version number. Keep in mind that your folder name may not be the same, and will depend on the version you are using. If you wish to save the file to a different location, click on the Change button. Then navigate to the folder of your preference, select it, and click Save. Note that all ABSS Accounting and ABSS Premier files are given the extension .myo. Do make a note of where you are saving your company file. You need to be familiar with the location so you know where to access it when needed. When you click Next, ABSS will create your file. Your file has been created. You can now go to the Setup Assistant to set up your preferences, or go to the ABSS Command Center. If you wish to do that later, click on Cancel to close the Company File Assistant. To open your company file, launch your ABSS solution, then click on Open. Navigate to the folder you saved your file in, select the file, then click Open. When the file is open, you can check that it is the correct file by looking at the top left of the Command Center screen. Your company name will be displayed there. That's it. You have successfully created your ABSS file.